Hello everyone. This tutorial we're going to be talking about how you can use a very important part of Microsoft Word functionalities, which is how to do mail match. Okay, a lot of people don't actually understand or know how to do this, and it's actually very important, especially for those of us who are going to be working in official capacity. You actually want to prepare a template, okay, that you can actually use, all right, to dispatch your mailings, or to you want to print some documents with customized information of different people. Okay, it could be 1,000 people, all right, and you do not have the luxury of having to clean up those documents one after the other. So you want to automate, or you want to find a very good or better way of handling this problem. So what you need to do is just to create an Excel file. All right, on this place we have been able to generate uh, uh, a lot of informations. Okay, I have 1001 uh, informations here. I have 1001 rows here. All right, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 8 columns. All right, so I want to create a customized um, document for each of these people represented here, and I can decide to print them on the printer, and I can decide to send it to all of them by email. But because I don't have their email here, all right, I won't be able to do that. But if I actually want to print out those informations for them, I can actually do that. All right, so I have already prepared an Excel file, which you can also do. All right, and then I have an MS Word, which is actually going to be showing me a template. Well, you can decide to edit this template, give it a logo, all right, depending on how you want it to be. And then all these informations, I want to add all these informations on this place. So what I'm going to do is to start, all right, by I'm going to have to first save these. Let me save it. Save as I'm going to go to desktop. Okay, I'm going to save on desktop. Alright, and I'm going to save it as an Excel file. Excel file. Alright, and student performance. Alright, I've already saved it as Excel file. So I'm going to go to document, MS Word, and go to mailings. Alright, I'm going to click on start mail match. Alright, so for the purpose of this class, I'm going to use a step by step, okay, mail match. Alright, and it's going to open these little box here for me. I'm going to go to start document. Alright, then the next thing is going to be select recipient. Alright, so I'm going to browse, and I'm going to go to where I have put my Excel file, which is on the desktop. Alright, so I'm going to check on this desktop for the Excel file. Okay, and this is it. Alright, I'm going to open. Okay, and then I have my student performance here, and I'm going to say okay. Alright, so you can see here that you have the gender, the race. These are the uh, column headings. Alright, and of course I'm going to leave it like that. Alright, and then having done that, I'm going to say okay. Okay. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to go to, alright, um, I'm going to come to this place. Alright, then I'm going to go to uh, match field. Alright, this is going to be dear. Alright, dear. So I actually am going to check my Excel file. Alright, there's no name here, so I'm going to leave dear alone. So the next thing is I'm going to go to this sex. Alright, the sex is going to be gender, so I'm going to come here and say gender. Alright, and then here I'm going to put column here. We're going to go to match field. This is race and ethnicity, and then you know put comma here, and I'm gonna go to this is parental level of education, which is here. The next one is going to be launch, so I'm gonna come here and go to launch. Alright, and then the next one is going to be math score, or math score, and here will be reading score, and I have reading score here, and here is going to be writing score, and here's going to be writing score. Of course, I'm probably going to use let me use test preparation. Alright, so I'm going to come to this place and then add test preparations. Alright, so I'm done with that. So I'm going to go to write your letter, preview your letters, and then I'm going to go to complete the mail match. Alright, so you can see here that I have actually completed my mail match, and then I can go to next. Okay, so for example, I want to go to number 1000. Right, so I'm going to clean this up and go to 1000, enter. Right, so this is going to be my number 1000. So if I go to this Excel file and go to control, or I'm going to control down. Alright, this is 1000, this is group D, standard, completed. This is 68, 78, and 77. So let me go to MS Word. Okay, this is 77, 86, and 86. Alright, so let me go to Excel again. Alright, okay, so this is a 77. Alright, 86, 86. And I think the reason why it's not showing me as 1000 is because you know, these column heading has occupied number 1 here. So the last, control down, the last row is going to be this particular one, which is going to be 1000. So let me go to MS Word again, and then you can see here. So this are a little way by which you can actually use to prepare documents. Let's say you want to prepare documents for 1,000 people, 10,000 people, and of course you can also decide to send it to their emails, provided if you have their emails already on these particular place. Maybe probably you have their email address. Alright, you can do that. Okay, by using Outlook, Microsoft Outlook, to do that. So but right now you can actually decide to, you've done that, and then you can go to, if you want to check number 500, go to number 500 and say enter. It's going to take you to number 500. So if you go to this Excel sheet, alright, you're going to see that that is going to be the information on number 500. You can use this to do a lot of very fast things. Then it depends on you. You can merge, you can say finish merge. Alright, so you can find some recipients. You can merge to Adobe if you want to probably print everything on Adobe. Let's say finish margin. Now after say finish margin, you can edit individual documents, which I actually don't recommend, because you know the fact that as long as the document, your Excel spreadsheet is correct, right, you're going to have an accurate information on your Microsoft Word. So you go to finish and merge. You can print documents if you want. You can send by emails. That's, like I said, provided you have email on these Excel worksheets. Right, so now let's go to let's click on this place and let's go to print documents. Now you can decide to print all of them at once. You can decide to print maybe probably from record 100 to 200. Alright, record, you can say from 100 to 200, or from 300, or you can print all, and then you say OK. Alright, of course you have to choose your printer, or whatever printer you want to choose, and then you want to print pages. You can also use this one to print pages. Alright, so you can print all of them. Number of copies, you can check it, and as long as you have your laptop connected to the printer, it's going to start printing. So when you click OK, you're going to have all your documents printed for you. Right, and that is going to be the end of our tutorial for today. So you can try it in your office, so that, and it's going to be able to be tremendous of tremendous help to you, and it's going to make your work to be very much effective. So instead of typing one page for each of the documents for each of the individuals, you can use Mailmatch to make your work less uh, difficult and quite much easy, and you can become very much highly productive and efficient. So thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time for more of this fantastic video. So you can subscribe and like and share. Thanks.